waiting on the monorail.
Jeez, that's a big hotel.
We are approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA, midway through the 16 library of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted at Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the monorail. If you are exiting, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the door until the monorail stops immediately at the door is open. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop will be Disney's Contemporary Resort, with continuing service for the transportation and tickets, and Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. If you're traveling to any other Walt Disney World resort event, buses and watercraft depart from this station. Keep your helmet and cup. Please remain on board.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome aboard Monorail Black. Our next stop is going to be Disney's Contemporary Resort with connection to Bay Lake Tower. If you're standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and do not lean against the automatic doors. Thank you.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway in the Sky and welcome you to showing the Magic Kingdom. We will travel to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking. Service to Disney's Polynesian Village and we are now passing Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of Disney Vacation
Good evening, everyone, and welcome aboard Monorail Black. Our next stop is going to be the Transportation and Ticket Center, home to the Magic Kingdom car and bus parking lots and the transfer to Epcot. If you are standing, please hold on to those silver handrails and do not lean against the automatic doors. Thank you.
I do it myself.
All I know is my dad was a war.
Well, because
Yep.
I can do it myself. I do it in
You know the airplane's bringing their stripes in the sky.
I see that orange, red, like the dot all the time. But I didn't tell you. No, it's also I have a Finnish sauna.
So you can go and see.
Yeah, I sit in the sauna.
Like a barrel?
He built it's a box.
Mine's a wooden box, not the barrel. It sits on the second story balcony. It's the first floor.
You walk out.
And I can sit in there.
Really good for
How long do you do it?
30 minutes every day. 5 days.
Yeah. Close up.
I sweat like a skeleton kid.
Yeah, that's not,
It's great.
that was unbuilt, but that was it. Yeah, that's not completely finished, but it's.
Well,
No, yeah. So for me, now for her, probably for her, it's like that's what's been fun. It's going with all of like I do it. She does. And so for me, it's like work friend. I don't take emotion because I'm trying to like get rid of like just some weight. I would say this. I don't not want to like not but like not desire like sugars.
Oh, like
Amazing.
my Coke Zero.
Yeah, no, it's amazing. So that's what I'm working.
and then I got the CCTA done, and I was like, okay, between those two things, I got to change.
By the way, one of my favorite times, my favorite memories of walking through Disney Canada, walking into a mall right here.
Not paying attention.
Hey Cam, pay attention, stop being an asshole. See what happens when you're an asshole? Karma. She was such a dick that day.
There's a lot of days about me. I was like,
Yes, there was a lot of them.
I love explaining to my kids, like, you guys were great. Like, you were awesome.
I'm like, so young.
Yeah, you can't say that to my youngest. You got to be very careful what you say to her. Yeah,
You couldn't even disagree with
no, you don't, you can't disagree.
nothing. Can't
Well, here's the
nothing.
problem. Yes. Gaslighting and emotional value. And the problem is you can't tell gaslighting is wrong. That is the issue today. What I might be saying to you is different from what you're saying. That doesn't mean gaslighting. It's not understandable right now. It's like,
But our phrasing,
She got into a family.